confidence.
My brother, here is the man that stole your wife. Yes, he's the one.
Hey!
Please, I'm sorry about everything. I'm sorry. I was actually thinking that this man would actually be taking care of you in my absence. I didn't know that he would do a thing like this. Please.
Brother paid for her for 7 years.
I beg you. Baby, please.
No, don't kneel down. You don't have to.
Forgive me. Come back home with me, please. I'm here now to make everything right. Look, I had the opportunity to put some money away before I went to prison. As I got out now, I got the money. I bought a car. I cleaned up a little bit, and I have money that we can start life with together. Please, I'll make everything right. I'll make up for all the years. Please, let's go home together.
Babe, listen. I believe you have a good retentive memory. I believe you still remember the little few months that we've spent together, how good I've been to you. He left you with nothing. You were almost a beggar.
God, where do I go from here? What do I do?
Why is a pretty girl like this crying here by this time of day? Hello.
Good afternoon.
My name is Jeff. I don't know why you're crying by this time of the day. There is nobody here. What happened, if I may ask?
My landlord threw me out because I have not been able to pay my house rent. And my husband has left me since...
You're married?
Yes, he left me since 7.5 years now.
Your husband left you?
Yes, and I've not heard from him.
This is very bad, and it's not right to sit here all alone by this time of the day. Do you have any place you intend to go?
No, sir, I don't have
No relatives?
I don't have anybody.
What about your husband? He doesn't have relatives or something?
His relatives, they don't want to help me. His brother came the other day and he asked to lay with me, but I refused. He said he will not pay for the house rent. I don't know what to do again.
I don't know. I do have a place. I live in a 3-bedroom apartment. I don't know if I can give you one of the rooms to manage. I don't know if it's okay. If it's not okay, I can actually still...
No, sir. No, it's okay. I can stay there. If you want me to be cleaning your house, I will do it.
It's okay. It's okay. I wouldn't even let you do that. Just come around, okay? Come along.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Just give it to me. Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir.
And today, he's here, rattling, blabbing, saying words that I don't even know their connotations. Come on!
My love, please, listen to me. Like I said, I'm sorry for everything. I'm sorry about the situation I put you in. It wasn't deliberate. I was in prison, my love. I was in prison. It's not as if I was enjoying life with some other person. I was in prison. I traveled abroad for us, you remember?
I understand.
The reason I traveled abroad was to make a better life for us. So whatever happened. If he wants me to pay him back for his goodness and kindness, I will do that. Okay, but please, you have to come home with me. I came back because of you.
I know. Look, Jeff, listen. He's still my husband.
Yes.
We never got a divorce. But remember, I told you that there's something very important I needed to tell you.
Is this something we need to discuss in private, or should we go inside?
What? Go inside for what?
Okay. If you must know, I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant for me?
Yes, I'm.
Hey!
Confidence. You see your brother?
Jesus!
Loser.
What is this?
Loser.
What does this mean?
King,
It has happened.
come on. You were there for 8 good years. 1, 2, 3. Like, keep counting. Can you tell me that there was no way you could have written to me? Maybe a letter, maybe text, or even call me. Even in the prison, there's a place you can make a call.
Cut them out.
And you never did. You never communicated me. Do you want me to continue wallowing in suffering? Like, I had no option than to go for him, and I'm pregnant for him.
Hey!
There's nothing I can do about it.
You see? My brother, we have lost everything. Had it mean that he's your brother now? Had it mean that he's your brother?
Can you just be, Uncle, please don't annoy me this afternoon.
It's all right.
Don't annoy me.
It's all
Let me
right.
not point my finger at you. You are older than me,
It's all right.
please.
No problem. No problem.
Mr. King, this is a very simple and peaceful matter. It is true that you got married to her, and now she's having my child in her womb. We're going to return your bride price. So I will discuss with my kingsmen, and by the time we are done, I
We've
will
lost our
locate her.
wife.
We will come for to do the needful. Okay?
Confidence.
Come what?
Confidence.
Come what? Come back here, Mr. Man. Come back here. You've lost her. You've lost her.
What are you
You have
doing?
lost her. What are you doing?
What are you trying to do?
Oya, please get her
She's
flower.
pregnant for another man.
Oya, see your flower. Hey, Oya,
Your gift.
get your gift. Oya now, you can meet us at 2 later. Hey, meet us at 2 later.
Uncle, you! Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for always watching my videos. If you're enjoying my content, please remember to always leave a like, leave a comment, and share the videos with other people. If you're not already subscribed to my channel or following my page, please do so to support the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I love you all. Bye-bye.